Hey guys, it's the Pixel here, and today I have got my hands on this product, and this is called the YUNTEng YT-228 tripod. And as always, I'm going to unbox this product. So let's get started, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So let's start our unboxing. So now let me unbox it. Actually, I'm already doing unboxing of this. Here we got the upper part of the tripod. Let's see what we got here. So this is the tripod. So guys, here we got the tripod. We can unfold it like this, and then we got the upper part here. The quality of this part isn't so good. Actually, the quality is really cheap of this part. We can't really complain about it because the whole tripod is really cheap. Here you got a key. You can move this part like this. Just hold the key to the left side and you can move this part, and the upper part is for holding a phone or a camera. So guys, if you found this video useful, please like it. If you have any question, problem or feedback, please write it in the comment box. Please subscribe my YouTube channel to get more technical videos like this and also this kind of unboxing videos. So guys, thanks for watching and goodbye.